Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. I hope you had a very nice trading session yesterday. Thank you for all my subscribers and thank you for revisiting and checking out all my new videos. We have a dedicated Telegram channel for our subscribers where we discuss on new trading opportunities and clarify queries on trading ideas. If you're interested, I'm leaving the link in the bottom of this video. Use that link to join our Telegram channel. So today we are going to do daily technical analysis on US dollar JPY. Yesterday also we had analyzed the same currency pairs. Let us see if the same ranges are still holding or whether the trend reversal has happened. I'm starting with the daily time frame. So here we can see it. There is a resistance here and presently the market is testing this resistance, trying to break this resistance, and we have a support line also running on the bottom. And when we see it in the trend wise, it is having very nice uptrend. It has not retraced to the trend line here. So uptrend is still holding. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. So I'm in hourly time frame now. I had explained yesterday that it had a very nice consolidation here. Then it formed into a channel pattern and gave breakout from the channel pattern, and the uptrend started from here. Then it started forming into a channel pattern. Diagonal movement happened and price was trading within the range, but presently when we notice it has broken from the channel pattern. The downtrend has started, and when we see it more closely, it is actually retesting on the dynamic support or resistance from the channel pattern. It is trying to break this line, and we know that this full area is a resistance area from the daily time frame. Tried breaking this area, it took support over here also, but it couldn't manage it and it started trending down. So from this chart pattern, what we understand is it has formed a very nice double top pattern. You can see it here. It tested here. Then the neckline is also broken. It is presently at this point here, and you can see the neckline is also broken here. And presently it has taken support in this previous high. This line at this point, it has taken support, trying to breach this resistance again. Let's see how the market will go. But overall, when we look at it, the bullish momentum has slowed down and the bearish momentum has started. The trend has reversed. So as long as it is going to be within this support and resistance area, we can see the bullish trend still holding. But overall trend reversal is happening, and it has formed a very nice double top pattern. Double top means is a trend reversal sign. So we can see the downtrend to continue from here also. When we see it earlier also, this currency pair normally makes double top patterns, retraces, then uptrend starts. So presently also it is making double top pattern, then retracing. Maybe we can see it bounce back again and break this resistance. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame and analyze the trading ranges. So from the 1 hour chart, we know that it has broken this support or resistance from the downside. It is retesting and trying to break this area, resistance area, from daily time frame. Presently, when you notice it also, it is actually bouncing back. The bullish strength has weakened now, and we can clearly see that downtrend has started. Let us analyze the trading ranges. So the resistance on the upside is going to be here, previous high, and next resistance is going to be the resistance area from daily time frame, and also present dynamic resistance from the 30 minutes time frame. Support is going to be this line here, this point here. Next support is going to be this line here, and next support is going to be over here, and bottommost support is going to be over here. I am expecting a trend reversal to happen, downtrend to start, because it has formed a very nice double top pattern, and dynamic resistance is also there, and we have a resistance line from the daily time frame also acting here. So some sort of retracement to up to this level and uptrend to start, rebounds to happen. It has to break this previous high to actually start its uptrend, but presently it is on a downtrend for the short term. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel so that you can get immediate notifications on my future videos.